Hey guys, we're going out. Forecast is 14 to 25 gusts, and it's not that at the moment, but I'm going out there, and if the wind is not that much, I'll do the first capsize test today. That guy's going there, so I might keep an eye out for, if I get in trouble. I hope I won't. But so let's go. Hey, Edgar.
I apologize for the wind noise on this video. This is something I had managed to eliminate with my GoPro 8, but I sold my GoPro and my Wii 4K Plus to buy this new camera, and I'm still trying to figure out the settings to get clear audio. The longer battery life, horizon lock and no overheating issues are features I really wanted, so this DJI action camera has all of that. It will be worth it, just need a few days to get to know the camera a bit better and for the wind slayer to arrive on the mail.
Okay guys, so this part here is a bit sheltered, so I will try capsizing the boat here. Get rid of my keys. Let's have a bit of fun, of course. Wait. Need to more shooters. Okay guys, let's capsize this thing just a bit further. There we go.
I'm sorry I don't have a better camera angle, but I had to sell two cameras to buy the new one, so no spare camera now.
Okay. Not too bad. No water whatsoever inside. Love this. Let's do it again.
Okay, you can see it, but right now I was holding to the tip of the dagger board and trying to flip it with maybe half of my body weight, as I was still in the water from the waist down, holding to the dagger board. You can see that even with the boat perpendicular to the wind, although slowly, it can still be flipped the right way up, even in this wind. And if turned to wind a bit, it will be much easier to do so.
Takes a while because there's strong wind hitting this massive wall of a bottom, but not too bad. Okay. The dagger board does flex a bit. But I don't think I could really put all my weight on it. But then again, why would you?
Right, time to go further out to where the wind is stronger and try this again. I'll have to do it on the other tack so that the camera stay out of the water. Edgar is on the way, so if I get into trouble, he should give me a hand.
Okay guys, let's capsize this here.
As you can see, not only there's no water in the cockpit, but it actually also spilled the water that was already in there from the wet clothes and splashes.
Okay, so far, so good. Oh, these boats parking. Look at that, guys. Full capsize. And then sailing straight away. No water. Apart from the one that runs from the lines and my clothes. Awesome.
See you next week, guys.